Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. In today's work example, we'll find the center of a circle which has the equation x squared plus 6x plus y squared minus 14y plus 42 is equals to 0. So let's start. So first of all, the very first thing that we need to do is write the equation in the standard form. So we know that for the write in standard form. So we know that the standard form of equation of a circle is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared, where the a is basically the x coordinate of the center, b is the y coordinate of the center, and r is the radius of the circle. So yeah, we'll now try to rearrange the equation in this form. So as we can see that we will need to use the method of the completion of squares to write it in the form of squares. So let's start. So we have x squared plus 6x in the start, this term. So now to make this a square, we would need a plus 3 squared with it. So we'll be adding a 3 squared and we'll be simultaneously subtracting it so that overall it doesn't have any effect on the equation, right? So for y square plus y square minus 14y. So here again, we'll be needing a 7 squared to write this as a complete squared form. And because we added a 7 square, we need to subtract it as well to keep the equation balanced. And the rest is plus 42 is equals to 0. Now we will be, so now we will try to write this and this in square form. So we can easily see that we can write this thing as x plus 3 whole squared, and this will be expanded to minus 9, and this again can be easily written as y minus 7 squared. We will be careful to write minus here because here is a minus here, so this would obviously be a minus, and this would be obviously for minus 49 this term, and plus 42 is equals to 0. Now we'll be moving all the constants to the other side, and we will get x plus 3 squared plus y minus 7 squared equals to 16. And further rearranging it, we would find that x minus 3 squared plus y minus 7 squared is equals to 4 squared. So as we stated earlier, that the x coordinate of the center is this and the y coordinate of the center is this. So the center of the circle would be minus 3 comma 7. So that was all. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you all in the next lesson.